Cookie, and welcome to a Minecraft video. And today I am joined by somebody, but I don't know who it is. Hold on. Let me try to look. I am joined by aka Candy Girl, aka Candy_Girl33, aka Livi. Okay, so today we will be doing a kind of build battle thingy-majigger. This wall needs to be higher.
We're kind of like doing it sort of like Stampy if you watch it.
Yeah, like the building time, which his series just it's about to end, so that's why we're doing it. And I've had this idea for about a month now, but I mean, they're just now ending, so I thought.
I mean, we're trying.
We're trying. Okay, so the theme is a cat.
My friend's on.
Cool, that's nice. But the theme is a cat, so go to your little stadium thing. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna extend these. Technical difficulties. You can do multiple cats or like cat accessories or something. But whatever.
I have an idea.
Okay, me too, cause I have experience.
It might not work out, but I'm gonna give it.
Okay, well, ready okay, get ready. In 3, 2, 1, go! And we don't even have a timer. This is just wow. Okay, don't say you're
have a timer or not.
We don't really need a timer, do we?
Yeah, like.
So, okay, since this is our first one, we aren't gonna have a timer.
What? How do they not have white wool? Why?
It's just called wool. No, I built this too big. There we go.
Silly. I don't know, like, can we do the floor?
Yeah. Of course. Oh. And we aren't allowed to use heads.
I just went for a random block.
That's nice.
Yeah, I can't speak. No. We can do a countdown when, we're almost done.
Yeah. But we may, well, okay, the first one to be done gets to count down. Okay? Or you can just, okay, I've got an idea. The first one to be done has to start a 1-minute timer.
Okay.
That's a good idea. It should be, oh, you're gonna love mine. You're gonna love mine. I have experience with making cats, so I kind of have an advantage.
I am getting a cat maybe next weekend. And I know, guys, you all should comment down below what I should name my cat. Well, my kitten, sort of.
Oh, it's so cute! It's like a mini version.
I'm just getting done with the floor. My cat.
Oh my gosh. I'm doing the floor last.
Well, this might not turn out.
Get rid of that.
My cat logo died, and I literally built something on PE edition on Minecraft, and he was sick, and
that is so sad.
So sad. Like, she's like, I literally actually called her and told her.
Called who?
You? Did I call you or not?
I didn't even know. I barely even knew who you was when Bobo was around and slash died. It's glitching.
I feel so bad for my cat Bobo. Like, he lived for so long, but then he died.
That is so sad.
It was very sad. It is very sad. Mine is going to be sort of, kind of weird. Because
It sounds like you're
I
talking about
get rid
mine.
of 2 other cats because it put my sister in the hospital. Just saying.
Yeah. Let's just not talk.
If you saw it on Facebook, comment down below if you did or not.
Like, you can literally search up her name and she pops up everywhere.
Yeah. She had MRSA and double pneumonia. We nearly thought she was going to die. Because it was so bad.
I have 2 ideas. Oops. No. Oh, this is such a fail.
I don't even have the head.
That is so weird to think about. Uh-oh. I just ruined my build. Okay, no. Delete it. Guys, also, comment down below, 1, who the winner is, and 2, well, who you think the winner is, and 2, should I do more Nightcore music?
Yeah, that's like literally me.
Well, the hide and seek song is you, but I don't have a hide and seek one on my channel. I just sent one to you. I just sent a Nightcore one. Okay, I'll make hide and seek, but I don't have the song. Actually, no. I need to buy this. Stop cussing!
I know.
Hey, chat. Oops, that is okay. Stop cussing. I'm recording. Dude. What? Okay, slash P.
If you hear my dad in the background, please.
Just ignore it. Just ignore it.
Please ignore him.
Yes.
I literally told him to shut up.
She did. She really did. I'm glad I put this extra space because I really needed it. Oh no! No, I'm gonna have to get rid of this because I want to make a funny little thingamajigger. You're gonna laugh so hard, and I'm gonna win because of the little thingamajigger that I'm gonna make.
This is my first ever time doing this.
Yeah.
Probably hers too.
Yeah, it's mine too, because I've never really did a competition thingy. Oh, it's so cute.
I don't know how my ears are supposed to be.
That's nice.
I don't know if I have enough. Like, I don't know if I have enough room.
I don't know if I have enough time.
Oh. The ears are going to be hooked together.
Okay, then. Mine is gonna be so funny.
Mine's not going so well. Wow, so cute. I don't even have a face.
Oh, that is so creepy to think about.
What should the eyes be? Wait, why am I asking? Should be asking what the eyes should be. Because you're evil. Wait, I'm an evil.
I'm evil? I'm a cookie.
No, I'm evil.
Okay, well, you called me evil, so. Ew, okay, maybe this isn't gonna be funny.
Oh, no. Like that back.
Ew, okay, no. Okay,
Done!
oh no, okay, make a 1 minute timer for me to get done.
I'm playing on my blocks way. Hey. Wait, do I have another leg? Okay. Good. Wait, no, I forgot to add a part.
Okay, well, you can set the
It's gonna
1
be
minute.
really funny.
Okay, gotta do some of the ground. Oh, this is gonna suck.
You think?
Oh, this is gonna suck. This is gonna suck so bad. No, I deleted its file. Okay, well, it's gonna have. Oh, it's just gonna have this color.
I felt like playing hide in the chat. Don't judge me.
Okay.
Ew, we will be building a balloon sandwich. I don't like those sandwich. I don't like bologna.
Sorry for you bologna fans. She doesn't like bologna. I don't like bologna. No, I don't even know. Okay.
I want to set the timer for 1 minute.
Okay, wait, you still haven't done that? Okay, I think. Let me just. Okay, I'm done.
Oh, come on.
Okay. Oh my.
Oh my gosh.
It looks like a sick unicorn. Just saying. Okay, let's do yours first. So, what's this?
It's a cat.
Okay, let's do mine.
Wait, come under my cat.
Is it pregnant?
No, it's fat.
Ew. We didn't even burn the wall. Oh wait, no, there's a ton of wool on mine, so bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this crazy video of the fat cat and the poopy cat building competition number 1.
Daddy, them about the news about the thingy.
What thingy?
So we do it this weekend and then we skip next weekend and then we do it that weekend.
Which I wish it was every week, but whatever.
Because fans are divorced.
I know. Okay, well, bye.